Hi guys, so in this video we are going to solve largest number possible after at most case swaps. Okay, so basically we are provided a string and we can swap two numbers, we can swap two characters at a time. And when let's say let's move to this. Yeah, let's say we are having a string 1 2 8 7 6 4 9. Okay, this is our string. So what we can do, let's say we are having k equals to 4. That means we can do at most 4 swaps. Okay, so let's say if I'm swapping 9 with 1, 9 with 1. So what will be my new string? 9 2 8 7 6 4 1. Okay, this will be my new string. Okay, now I have swapped one character, so k will be reduced by 3. After that, let's say I am swapping 8 with 2. So 9 8 2 7 6 4 1. So now the value will be reduced by 2. After that, let's say I am reducing swapping with 7. I am swapping them randomly. Okay, 9 8 7 2 6 4 1. Okay, now the value will become 1. After that, let's say I am swapping it with 6. So 9 8 7 6 2 4 1. Okay, so this is my value. This is my value. The value will be reduced by 0. So when k becomes 0, I have to return this number. And then what I have to do? I have to check whether this number is maximum or not. Okay, basically there are so many combinations. I have just selected the random order, but there are so many combinations in which swapping can be done. But what I have to return? I have to find the maximum number which I can generate from this string. The maximum number which I can generate. Okay, so what I will do, basically I will find all the swapping combinations. And I will check whether that number is greater than the maximum. And I will check again and again. Okay, so basically among all the combinations, I will find the maximum one. Okay, so let's see what I'm going to do. Let's say 1 8 9 2 1 6 5 1. Okay, this is my string. So basically what I can do, I will place what will be my fate, that I will pick a character, then I will swap that character with every character ahead of it. Let's say I am picking this character. Now what I will do, I will swap this one with 8. So my one call will be 8 1 9 1 2 1, or let's reduce this number. Okay, this is my number. Okay, now second choice, that I will swap this number 1 with 9. So what will be my resultant? 9 8 1 1 2 1. When I will swap this number with 1, so 1 8 9 1 1 2 1, exactly same. Okay, one more one, so just write it here, 1 2 1. Okay, now if I am swapping this one with 2, so what will be my result? 2 8 9 1 1 1. If I am swapping this one with 1, so what will be my result? 1 8 9 1 2 1. Okay, again I am going to follow the same criteria. I will pick the first character, then I will swap this character with every other character. Okay, and whenever I will get this number, whenever I am getting this number, what I will do, I will check whether this number is greater than I am taking a max string that will store the string of maximum number. So what I will do, I will check whether this string is greater than my max. If this string is greater than my max, then what I will do, I will update my max as my string. Okay, so this is what I have to do. Basically, I will pick a character, I will swap that character with every character ahead of it. Then whatever string will get generated, what I will do, I will check whether that string value is greater than max value. If it is true, then I will swap the value. Then I will place my string to the max. Okay, so this is a very easy problem. Basically we have done so many questions like this, so no more explanation needed. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to traverse. Basically we have to pick a character, then we have to swap that character with every other character. So for int I equals to 0, I is less than str.length. After that I plus plus. So I am picking the character placed at I position. Okay, now what are the possibilities? Which characters I can swap I with? So I can be swapped with I plus 1 to rest of the character. So for int j equals to I plus 1 to rest of the characters. So j is less than str dot length. Very easy. J plus plus. Now, now I have to swap. So I have to create some functions, swap function. So that function will return me a string. So str equals to swap str I and j. I am passing the indexes which are to be swapped. Okay. Now I will call my function find maximum. I will call the function str k minus 1 because I swapped one number. So the value of k will be reduced by 1. After that, just while backtracking, just make our original string. Just get our original string. So swap str I and j. Basically, what I am doing, firstly, okay, yeah. So basically, when I am calling the function, before calling the function, I am swapping I and j. I and j value are getting swapped. Then I am calling the function. After backtracking, what I am doing, I am retrieving the original string which I am having. So basically, if I have swapped I and j, first I am swapping I and j. Now again, if I swap I and j, what will happen? I will get the original string. Let's say 1 to 1. This is my string. I am swapping 1 with 2, 2 with 1. So what will be my resultant string? 2, 1, 1. Okay. Now let's say if I again swap I and j, what will be my resultant string? 1, 2, 1. So I will retrieve now. I will retrieve my original string. So this is what I have to do. I am swapping. Initially I am swapping. After swapping, I am again swapping so that I can retrieve the original string. Okay. Now, when I have to stop, basically I have to check for every string which is getting generated. So if integer, to convert a string into integer, what we have to do? Integer dot parse int str. If this value is greater than integer dot parse int maximum. If this value is greater than maximum, then maximum should be equals to str. Okay. And if k equals to 0, that means we have taken all the chances. Let's say if the value of k is 4, then we can swap 4 characters. We have swapped 4 characters, then the value of k will be 0. In that case, simply return. No more swapping allowed. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to write this swap function. So we have to swap 2 characters of a string. Okay, that's good. So public static. This is going to return a string. Swap. This will take a string as argument. int I and int j. Okay, these are the arguments. Now let's move to full string. Yeah. What I have to do? I have to swap the character placed at ith position and jth position. So let's say I am having this string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am having this string. Okay, 6, 7. Okay. Now, let's say the value of I is 2. Value of j is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, these are the values. Now, so this character should be swapped with 5. 3 should be swapped with 5. So what I will do? I will get this region as left. I will find this region as left. I will find the middle region as middle. I will find this region as right. Okay. So what will happen? Basically, what will be my resultant string? What is my resultant string? My resultant string is 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 7. So if you think left is at its position, so what will be my resultant string? Left plus 5. 5 is jth position. 5 is jth position. Okay. After that 4 is middle. So left plus j plus middle plus 3 is ith position. So ith. After that 6, 7 is right. So this will be my new string. If somehow I can find the left region, ith region, jth region, and right and middle. Okay. So then what I can do? I can create a new string which will be left plus jth plus middle plus ith plus right. Okay. So let's create a new string. Basically, we have to create a new string, str, or not string, new string. Initially it is empty. Okay. So we have to find the left region. Now left region is from, if you think about it, this is 0. I'm writing the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just remember one thing. If you are writing str.substring 0 to 5, if you are going to write this now, then what will happen? We will get 0 to 4 index substring. We will get, in this case, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you will write this now, what we will get? We will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? It is going to take 0 to 4. Whenever we are writing 0 to 5, it will take 0 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Just remember this thing. Now the question becomes very easy. Now I don't think we are having any problem in writing this. So what will be my left string? Left, which will be equal to 0 to I. 0 to I. str dot substring 0 to I. Okay, because it is going to take till I minus 1. So 1 and 2 will be stored in left. Now ith will be str dot char at I. Okay, middle, which will be equals to I plus 1 to j. It is not going to take j. So I plus 1 to j. So str dot substring I plus 1 to j. Okay, now I have to find the jth. So string jth equals to str dot char at j. After that, the right one, which will be equals to j plus 1 to length. So string last, which will be equals to str dot substring j plus 1. Okay, then what you have to return? We have to return left plus jth plus middle plus ith plus last. Okay, this is what we have to return. Then it will manage the rest of the thing. Okay, so let's rub this. Now our question is solved. Okay, so basically what we are doing, we are swapping every digit with every digit. Basically this is n square solution. Okay, not n square, more than n square. Okay, so basically what we are doing, we are swapping. Okay, we are having error. 13 str dot char at I. This is correct. What is the problem? Okay, this is not string, char. Okay, right here, char. We are not going to get string, we are going to get a character. So char. Okay, yeah, this is accepted. Let's submit it. So basically what we are doing, we are picking every character and we are swapping that character with the front values, with the values ahead of it. Okay, how we can optimize this solution? Are you getting any idea how we can optimize this solution? I am getting one idea. I got the optimized solution also. What is the optimized solution? Let's say let's do it here. Let's say 1 2 3 8 9 1. Okay, this is our values. Now let's say my I is here, j is here. Okay, my I is here, j is here. Now why I will swap 8 with 1? Why? Because in greater whenever we are getting a maximum number, the larger values will be in the front and the smaller values will be at the last. So why I am going to swap 8 with 1? Because 8 is bigger value, 1 is smaller value. So if I will swap this, what will happen? I will get a smaller value. This is even smaller than the previous one, even smaller now. So what I can do, I can create a condition that if str.char at j is greater than str.char at I. If this condition is true, in this case only I am going to swap. Basically, if the jth character is smaller and ith character is greater, in that case I don't need to swap. When I have to swap? When str.character, when I is lesser than, when I is lesser than jth character. Okay, in that case we have to swap. So this is the optimized solution. Let's submit this also. Basically it will take less time. Our previous code was also submitted. Okay, so that was also fine. This is also fine. So let's see. Okay, how to go back? Yeah, let's submit this. Yeah, this is also submitted. Understood now? So we have just optimized our solution, that if the ith character is smaller than jth character, in that case only just swap our answer. Okay, both the ways are same. So I hope you guys understood what we are doing. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.